Sometimes you come across places which are beyond your imagination. You just have to walk deep into the nature. You will always receive more than you are seeking for. If the magnificence of the sea gives you power to live wild, if the dry road does not feel you heat, if the history can be seen in middle of the sea, if the edges of the road surprise you with the mesmerizing view, and if you find fun in simple things of nature, you know your soul is alive. Continuing my journey across the coastal route of Maharashtra, this time I took a rare route to open up the windows. The land is also known for its beautiful sunset. The land of unexplored beaches. The land where it's called the Blue Lagoon. The land of multiple terrains and challenges. The land which is the oldest ghat of India.
येवा कोकण आपलोच असा.
यवा कोकण आपलोच असा.
Hi, I'm Sia. I'm a belly dancer and a yoga lover.
खेमराज. So खेमराज, और यहाँ क्या क्या है घूमने के लिए?
यहाँ पे न्यूटी बीच है.
Come and wind the coastal route journey with me.